investigation team realised that they needed expert witnesses to help them with the investigation. They got in touch with the National Crime Agency. So they have a list or a database of expert witnesses. They provide the vital key evidence for the investigation. They also advise us as police officers on medical terminology or medical practices, because we are police officers. We didn't have any idea, or I certainly didn't have any idea about any kind of medical terms or even what to look for within these medical records. Not many investigations have so many expert witnesses, and not many investigations rely on so many opinions of these expert witnesses. So it's a total unique role to policing. I'm Detective Sergeant Lucy Kennedy. I'm part of Operation Hummingbird. When I joined the investigation and started looking through every bit of evidence that we've got, I think it then becomes apparent of just the severity of the investigation. In total, there are 8 main expert witnesses, and we also have an independent nurse advisor. In July 2017, there was a meeting held with the expert witness. From there, we had then the massive task of putting together the medical bundles for him to look through for all the different cases that we wanted him to review. It was quite a challenging task, that, because it's been described as the medical files have just been thrown up in the air and put back together. It's just the way they were brought to us, and we aren't medical experts. We're not even medically minded. So it was hard for us to fathom how to put this medical bundle together, which also was a challenge for the expert who then received it to go through. Like, some of these medical records are 1,000 pages long, because some of the babies had been in the unit for weeks or months. We then took it to him for him to review, and he would decide whether there was a suspicious case or a non-suspicious case. When Letby first got in the box and started giving her evidence, there was a real mix of emotions, and some families were relieved that she was actually in the box giving the evidence, hearing the answers to the questions, and I think some were angry with the answers, and I think some were upset as well for various different reasons as to why they were upset.